This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fold Audi Q5 side mirrors. First, let's cover the manual method. On your driver's side door panel, you'll find a circular control knob for your mirrors. To fold them in, simply rotate this knob to the 6 o'clock position, which often has a mirror fold icon. This action will retract both side mirrors, offering immediate control when you need it most, like in a tight parking spot. Next, let's explore automatic mirror folding using your Audi's MMI system. Begin by accessing the MMI display in your car. From the main menu, navigate to Vehicle Settings, then select Central Locking. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Fold Mirrors. Simply turn this feature on, and your side mirrors will automatically fold inward whenever you lock your Audi, adding convenience and protection. Another convenient way to fold your mirrors automatically is by using your key fob. After ensuring the MMI settings are enabled for this function, simply press and hold the lock button on your remote key fob for a few seconds. Your Audi's side mirrors will then retract smoothly. This is especially useful when approaching or leaving your vehicle, allowing you to secure your mirrors from a short distance. Folding your Audi Q5 side mirrors offers several benefits. Primarily, it protects them from potential damage in tight parking spots, car washes, or narrow streets. It can also contribute to slightly improved aerodynamics, though this is a minor effect. Remember to always unfold your mirrors before you begin driving to ensure full visibility and safety. This simple habit helps maintain your mirrors and enhances your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.